Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Got a quick video for you on a case from Ringke. This case is for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, now you can get this case from Amazon. This is the smoke black version. It's the Ringke Fusion case designed for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, $10.99 on Prime. They usually make pretty good cases, and so I wanted to check this out. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. All right, let's take this out of the wrapper. Simple wrapper there to use the eco-friendly package there. Got your cards in there. We don't need that. Put this to the side. Now they got the little plastic inside. I'll take that off in a minute, but you got your camera cut out. You see it's raised up, so it's well protected. You got your power button, your volume down button right there. And you got your opening for your mic, charging port, speaker, and your S Pen. And you got an opening for your mic up top. You got a lanyard open right there. And you got some Ringke branding on this side right here. And you got your opening for the lanyard right there. All right, so these are nice cases. It's sticky, you know, rubbery TPU, stiff TPU, but they usually fit pretty well. And you get good grip. So I like this one, all right? Now, I'm gonna put a little plastic off and we put it inside the phone. Okay, so we got the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra right here. We're gonna go ahead and pop it inside the case. Put the bottom in first. Uh-oh. Yeah, okay. All right, so it went on there pretty good. It's fairly snug. No movement without me having to work hard to do it, so I like that. And it's fairly slim, but you're gonna get some protection with this. The camera's raised up, as you can see, well protected, no problem there. And so this is probably still gonna rock a little bit. So if you push up here, but it's not bad. It's still better than the camera by itself. And you got a raised lip on the front, on the top and bottom. And the mic hole lines up, as you can see that right there. And the bottom, everything lines up right there as well, no problem. Power button, everything works well. So this is a good case, nice and sticky, slim, but it's gonna give you that, you know, scratch protection, small drops. It's gonna be good for that, all right? So I like that, okay? Let's check out wireless charge. Okay, so we got the wireless charger right here. Let's pull this out. Okay, so wireless charge works, no problem, it's good to go. Okay, so that was a quick look at a case from Ringke. It's a Ringke Fusion case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It's a pretty good case. Ringke always make good products. So I think you'll like it, all right? If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.